Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a brand new ball from Roto Grip. It's called the Gremlin Tour X. All right, little nasty work here. Okay, so we got Gremlin Tour X. What is this ball supposed to be? Second installment of the Gremlin. I believe the core numbers are the same. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not really sure. I heard, and it looks like an Ion Pro, a slightly smoother Ion Pro. So with that being said, I did bring an Ion Pro. Layout is a little bit different. This one is laid out 3.5 by 5 by 5.25. That's how I thought I drilled my Tour Dynamics, which is not the case. 4 by 5 by 5. I brought that one. I think it's 4.55. How did I drill this ball? 4.45. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then the Ion Pro is 5 by 5 by 4.5. So slightly different. My goal with the Gremlin Tour was to make it a little bit stronger because my Tour Dynamics is a little too continuous. It doesn't pick up as early as I would like and have it go forward. It does what I wanted to do except for that. So I'm hoping the Gremlin Tour does that. I meant to drill it the same, but I got confused with the numbers, so we have what we have. Oh, wow. Bad rack. I think I'm in love. I like this ball so far. I like the Tour balls because they're a little more control. This ball's got 248, I believe, 34 diff, 10 or 11 intermediate, which means it's got a really small intermediate, small amount of asymmetry, still fairly low diff. I don't remember what the Ion series had, but it's the same type of ball. So I'm glad to see this, given that we discontinued the Ion Pro. I like these kinds of balls, but hearing that this is gonna be a little smoother, I paired it with a stronger layout. A little left. I know it's new, and I know a lot of people go, oh yeah, you just say you like the ball because it's new. The latest and greatest. But this is exactly, I think, what I wanted to see out of this ball. I do want to drill one a little more normal, but I really like my short COG Tour Dynamics. I believe that's 3.5 by 5 by 2.5 maybe. And I think I blended the layouts and I came to this. So the first, the first two numbers are similar to my short COG. The last number similar to my tall COG, long COG. And now we just have super strong layout Gremlin Tour X. But hey, so far, I mean, I'm all on the Gold Coast house shot, which isn't the easiest, but it's not the hardest. So far, it's a winner. A little more rotation. Oh, she's smooth. She's smooth. Based on the layout, in my experience, on the lower differential bowling balls, it feels like it makes them hook more, but they still stay pretty continuous, I think, because of the diff. They don't stand up as fast. I think it comes at 4,000, so it's gonna shine up pretty quick. This is a ball I'm probably gonna hit with a good amount of surface. I think I'm gonna drill another one when we get to the players. I leave for the players tonight, and I can only travel with so many bowling balls, and this one is not going with me. I missed that one at the bottom. This might be the ball of the year. I feel like this ball is gonna get swept under the rug, but if you're a tournament bowler and you like the Ion Pro, but maybe it was a little too quick, this ball's nice. This is fitting exactly, I think, where I want it to fit. So for the US Open, I'm gonna check in my Tour Dynamics for the short COG. And I was thinking about checking in the tall one too, but I think I'm gonna check this instead. I'm gonna move a little bit left, just a touch. Still very stable. It's not gonna be the most hookable bowling ball, but I think it's gonna be great when they're flat. It's gonna be great when you need something smooth. Where does this fit in the bag? It's gonna be on the control side, your low RG, low diff piece. A type of bowling ball that I really like to use. All right, let's get into the other ones. I'm gonna go to my Tour Dynamics. I think it's a slightly weaker cover. It is a solid instead of a hybrid. which the Gremlin Tour is. Gonna go back to a similar spot we started in, see where this one is at. Whoa. I think that makes sense. It's a little more responsive. It has more surface on it from whatever turn my bull blast. A weaker cover, less diff, so that's gonna keep it online longer before it wants to hook. Hence, I think why it ripped off it so hard. I think a lot of it was the surface. All right, let's make a move though. A lot less flare. The layout is stronger though on the Gremlin. I didn't throw the Gremlin a whole lot just because we had a lot of bowling balls in that slot, and it was a time where I was traveling a bunch, so I couldn't bring that many bowling balls. I did bring it to the tournament that I won my first two-handed regional at though, so that was pretty cool. So see how continuous that was? That scares me. Like if it doesn't go forward enough, that leaves it prone to 9-pinning a bunch. I mean, I guess you saw the Gremlin Tour 9-pin, the very first shot, but that was like the third time I threw it ever. And the covers are gonna mellow out as you throw them more. I always need to have some type of ball like this in the bag. All right, this is gonna be from the same spot as the last Tour Dynamics. So a little more forward off it, that's what I want to see. So I was really praying that this ball was going to do what I was hoping it would do, and it is doing exactly what I was hoping. Because the tall Tour Dynamics, it's a little too erratic sometimes, a little too uncontrollable. So I needed something just a little bit earlier, a little bit stronger. So it's great that I'm seeing this. So I'm still going to bring the tall Tour Dynamics with me to the tour, because I can drill Gremlin Tours when we're out there. Can't drill Tour Dynamics, so that's a problem. I'd rather have that and not need it than need it and leave it at home. Ion Pro, weakest layout of them all. So I'm expecting this one to create the most shape down lane outside of the Tour Dynamics, me giving it the steroid layout, making it hook down lane. Left, left. Got in that house shot oil, held the line. Noticeably deeper than, for me, longer. Definitely gets down the lane further, but that could be because of the layout. And you might be asking, Darren, why don't you just have all the balls laid out the same way? I had all these balls drilled for a purpose, and I just messed up on the Gremlin Tour. But might be a happy mistake, because this thing rolls pretty good. All right, one more with the Ion Pro. We'll go back to the Gremlin Tour. We'll wrap it up with that one, but super excited for the Gremlin Tour. A little better. Yeah, that one's definitely getting down there. It also has the most games out of all the balls, so the cover's gonna be the most worn in. All right, guys, so this has been Gremlin Tour X. Smooth, controllable, a nice reactive piece after the concept, a nice reactive piece after the urethane balls. Situational, of course. We're gonna hook this one a little more, see how much it's got in the tank. But yeah, this has been Gremlin Tour X. Again, really excited for this one. Ooh, was that 2? All right, we can end on that, man, but hey, Gremlin Tour X, super excited. This one's going in the bag for sure for me. I'll be throwing this one a bunch on tour. I can't say for sure, but I think I'm going to. And I'll probably drill more than one. So if you guys are interested in this ball, make sure you check out tvbowlingsupply.com, D-Tank 5, pre-order yours over there. If you don't want to do it there, go to your local Storm VIP Pro Shop and get your Gremlin Tour. If you guys want to win one, I give stuff away all the time on Twitch. So follow me on Twitch, join the Discord, because Discord lets you know when the giveaways are happening on Twitch. Just follow me on all the platforms. I give away stuff all the time. Bye.